Poll Everywhere is a platform that allows students to vote or discuss topics through email, text, messaging, or by computer. It is a very engaging and convenient activity for students. It is also easy for students to navigate because they simply just follow the instructions as permitted. To start a poll, follow these steps. Step 1, configure. Step 2, test. As you can see, I text the number 22333 to KK Middleton 770 so that I could review the response. Once I test my poll, I can then send invite to my students via Remind or Google Classroom because it is ready to present, which is the last step. I currently teach World War history for 6th and 8th grade students. Using Poll Everywhere is a great icebreaker for the first day of school, as well as weekly exit slips for classroom discussions.